Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Jabbar Javed, lecturer in English, Jedroman Premier Bank School and College. I hope you all are well and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Dear freshers, on behalf of our Jedroman Premier Bank School and College, I would like to give you a lot of thanks for getting admission in our college. Dear freshers, you know we are passing a crucial moment, and for this reason, we are not able to say you that you come to college, you come to class, but you got admission in such a college that is very renowned college in Kisharganj district. Dear freshers, the your college is situated in such a place there is no bustle of city life. Of course, it is a very pleasant, learning friendly environment. Dear freshers, I hope you will participate spontaneously in our online classes. Dear freshers, it is unfortunate that you are not able to come to college. However, dear students, you have two parts in ACC level in English, you know. One is first paper and another is English second paper. Already you have known the marks distribution of English first paper. So I would like to talk with you about the marks distribution of English second paper today. So, dear freshers, let us know the marks distribution of English second paper. So, let us look at the board. Dear freshers, you have an English second paper. Look at the board. English second paper. Your English second paper is divided into two parts. Part A is grammar part and part B is composition part. In your grammar part, there are 60 marks, and part B, that is 40 marks. So, dear students, in part A, grammar 60 marks will be in question number 1, gap fillings with articles. There will be a text. In the text, there will be 10 gaps, and the gaps should be filled with appropriate articles. Here, marks is 0.5 into 10 equal 5 marks. In the question number 2, gap filling with suitable preposition. There will be also 10 gaps, and in these gaps you have to fill it with appropriate preposition. There will be mark 5. In question number 3, use of special words or phrases from the box. Dear learners and freshers, this topic is unknown to you because in the previous classes you didn't practice it. In this topic, there will be a box, and in the box there will be 10 words or phrases. From this box, you have to choose the right word or phrase to fill in the gaps. There, your marks is 5. Question number 4, completing sentence. There will be 10 sentences, and some sentence will be incomplete. This incomplete sentence you have to be complete with phrases or clauses. Their marks is 5. And question number 5, right form of verbs. So there will be a text, and in the text 10 verbs will be within bracket, and you have to correct the form of verbs. There is number 5. Question number 6, changing sentence. It is known topics to you in your previous class, that is in class 9, 10. You have done it. So, in topic, marks is 5. Question number 7, changing narrative style. There will be a direct or indirect speech, and you will be asked to change according to the direction of the speech. Their marks is 5. Dear students, question number 8, pronoun reference. This topic is unknown to you because you have not done practice on these topics in your previous classes. But in this level, you have to do pronoun reference. There will be a text, and in the text there will be 5 errors of pronoun. These error of pronoun should be correct. Their marks is 5. And question number 9, use of modifiers. Dear students, modifier is very unknown to you as you have not done on these topics any class. So it is a new topics for you. However, in this topic there will be a text in a fixed subject, and in the text there will be asked to fill in the gaps with suitable modifiers. Question number 10, use of sentence connectors. Use of sentence connectors is, this topics is known to you as you have done in your class 10. So there is mark 5. Dear learners, question number 11, use of synonym or antonyms of words. Here there will be a text and 10 words will be underlined, and you will be asked to sometimes synonym of the words or antonyms of the word. That is mark 5. Last of all, in grammar part, the topics is use of punctuation marks. It is known to you, you have done this in your previous class, that is in class 9, 10. So it is not very tough or hard for you. Their mark is 5. Dear learners, part B, composition. Composition part, there is question number 13, formal letter of email, marks 8. And question number 14, report writing for newspaper, question marks 8. There you have to write a report on a specific topic, and you have to give a title on this topic. There is mark 8. Question number 15, paragraph writing. You have done this in your previous class, paragraph writing. In this level, paragraph writing marks 8. Last of all, question number 16, composition writing. This topic is also known to you. Here is mark 40. In this way, total marks 100. So dear learners, hope you will participate in our online classes spontaneously. Last of all, I would like to give a lot of thanks for being with me, and you be safe and sound. Allah Hafiz.